over. Let's get him.
Excuse me, sir, have you been drinking today?
No, I haven't.
Do you have any drugs in your car, sir?
No, I'm just on the way to school.
Can you please step out of the car so we can search it?
You can't search my car without a warrant?
You don't need a warrant, you've been driving recklessly.
Okay, but you're not gonna find anything.
Hands up against the car, please. Smells like marijuana in here. Find any drugs in there?
No, did you?
No, I didn't.
I bet he has some in his house.
Well, we can't get him for having drugs, but we can definitely get him for eating while driving.
Yeah, you're right. Wait, there's no law against eating while driving.
I guess we're just gonna have to let him go then.
Told you I don't have any drugs. Later, cops.
Restricting me from movement. That should be a criminal offense, but first they have to prove it with some concrete evidence. Them I do everything in their power.
Open up, police.
Can I help you, officers?
We need to search your house for drugs.
You have a warrant?
No, just let us in.
The Fourth Amendment states that I don't have to let you guys in without a warrant.
He's right. Let's go get one.
Can you get me?
I just got a text message from Officer Rugnetta.
What did he say?
So the Supreme Court ruled eating while driving is now illegal.
Oh, good. We can charge Steven for that in court.
We need to pick up the warrant.
Did you print out the warrant you passed? Thank you. Judge, we need to sign this warrant.
Is this warrant to search Steven's house?
Yes.
Okay. There you go, sir.
Thanks, Judge.
Open up, it's the police.
We're here to search your house.
Where's your warrant? Okay, come in.
Search the bathroom.
We can't. The bathroom's not included in this warrant.
Okay.
Hey, is that a gun?
Yeah, but the gun's in my living room. Your warrant says you can only search my kitchen.
Well, yes, we can use that because it's in plain view.
Alright, let's search the kitchen.
Let's do this.
You guys aren't gonna find anything in there.
We'll see about that.
Sick. I found the drugs.
Good find.
Stephen Ingraham, you are under arrest for possession of marijuana and illegal firearms.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Do you understand these rights?
Yeah.
Saying I'm Mr. Officer, come charge me all the time. You got me for possession, but I swear that it's not mine. No matter what you do or say, it's bound to come right back this way. And if you want a moment's peace, this is what you'll say.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
We're not gonna take you to court, because I don't like you.
Well, actually, habeas corpus says that he has to be brought before a judge.
Fine. Then your court date will be June 6, 2015, and your bail will be set for $5 million.
Well, actually, the Fourth
Sixth.
Amendment states that I have the right to a speedy and fair trial, and $5 million is excessive bail.
Alright, fine. Your trial is next Friday, December 7th.
Too bad we can't just use the bill of attainder and throw him in jail.
Crooked cops.
Stephen is being charged with possession of marijuana, illegal firearms, and eating while driving.
Your Honor, the law against eating while driving wasn't passed until the day after I was pulled over. Therefore, the ex post facto laws do not apply.
Fair enough. Please take the stand.
Objection. The Fifth Amendment states that my client does not have to testify against himself.
Would you like to use your Sixth Amendment right to witness?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to call Mark to the stand.
Rastaman live
Mark, are you friends with Stephen Ingraham?
Yeah, you could say that.
Would you say Stephen is a bad person?
No, but he's in a gang.
Does Stephen do drugs?
Nah.
Is Stephen left or right-handed?
Yeah, he's right-handed.
Thanks, Mark. No further questions, Your Honor.
Would you like to add a closing statement?
Yes, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the gun found in Stephen's house is a left-handed gun, and Stephen is right-handed. Therefore, it cannot be his gun. Thank you.
Now we will allow some time for the jury's deliberation. Order, court is back in session. Jury has deliberated and reached a verdict. Stephen is guilty of possession of marijuana, but not possession of illegal firearms.
You're gonna make sure you're tried again for having a gun in your house.
You can't try me twice for the same crime. It's called double jeopardy.